Hello dear students. CAD Solutions GWALIOR heartily welcomes you. This is the first step-by-step video tutorial of the Engineering Drawing Self-Learning Lecture Series by CAD Solutions GWALIOR. In this video tutorial, you will learn to create ellipse using Oblong method. This method is also known as rectangle method. So students, to learn this method in a better way, watch this video tutorial till the end. And if you have any doubt or suggestion, then you can comment in the comment box below this video tutorial. Dear students, in this video tutorial, we have taken a reference problem from the engineering drawing book, which is something like this. Construct an ellipse having major and minor axes 110 mm and 70 mm long respectively using oblong or rectangular method. After reading this problem, in solutions, let us write the given parameters. So let's start the solution. In the given parameters we have the major axis 110 mm given, which are represented by AB, and the minor axis is 70 mm given, which are represented by CD. After writing the given parameters, to draw the ellipse, first draw a 110 mm long major axis AB by the help of the roller scale. In step 2, after drawing the major axis AB, we will mark its midpoint O, which is the center of the required ellipse. Now in step 3, with the help of roller scale, the minor axis CD is drawn. It is perpendicular to the major axis AB and is passing through the midpoint O. In step 4, we draw two lines which are parallel to the major axis AB, and passing through the points C and D of the minor axis. Similarly, in step 5, we also draw two lines parallel to the minor axis CD, which will pass through points A and B of major axis. Now the rectangle that is made in step 4 and 5 is named PQRS. In step 7, we divide the lines AO and AP into equal parts by scale division method. For example, if you are dividing the line AO into 4 equal parts, then the line AP will also be divided into 4 equal parts. Similarly, if line AO is divided into 5 parts, then line AP will also be divided into 5 parts. Mark the points 1, 2, 3 on the line AP and mark the points 1-, 2-, 3- on the line AO. In step 8, join points 1, 2, 3 from point C of the minor axis and points 1-, 2-, 3- from point D of the minor axis. And extend the lines 1-D, 2-D, 3-D backside so that intersection points P1, P2, P3 are found on line C1, C2, C3. As we all know that ellipse consists of 4 quadrants. We will not follow the previous division process to draw complete ellipse. In place of this process we will project the points P1, P2, P3 on the right side of the line OC. So for this we will draw 3 horizontal lines of any length from points P1, P2, and P3 and mark with the help of compass points Q1, Q2, and Q3. And note that points P1, P2, P3, and points Q1, Q2, and Q3 are at equal distance from the line OC. Similarly in this step 10, mark the new points R1, R2, R3 by drawing vertical lines in the downward direction from points Q1, Q2, Q3, as in the previous step. Here also the points Q1, Q2, Q3, and points R1, R2, R3 are equally spaced from the line OB. In step 11, we will mark the new points S1, S2, and S3 by drawing horizontal lines from points R1, R2, and R3 as in the previous two steps. Now in the last step, we will join the points P1, P2, P3, Q1, Q2, Q3, R1, R2, R3, S1, S2 and S3 by freehand. This curve will also pass through points AB of major axis and point CD of minor axis. Students, this is the required ellipse. We hope you liked this video tutorial, so thank you all for watching this video tutorial. Goodbye.